Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I want to announce a giveaway contest from January to February. It's going to go to, I believe, February 16th is what I set it up for, and I'm going to give away this TENKER Q5 LED projector that I reviewed on my channel. You'll have the link for the review for this projector in the description below where you guys can check it out. So if you're interested in winning this projector, enter the contest. It will be on gleam.io as my past contests have been. This is an international contest, so it doesn't matter where you live in the world. I'll ship this anywhere, so you don't have to worry about that. You can get an entry either by following me on Twitter, of course be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I'm trying to get my twitch.tv account with some followers there, so it would be great, and you will get an extra entry for following me on Twitch. So if you can follow me on Twitch, that's awesome. It'll help me get to affiliate status on Twitch. So I'm excited to give away this projector. I hope you guys are excited to participate in the contest itself. Please go to the gleam.io link, which will be in the description below, where you can enter to win this LED projector. Thanks again for all your support. I hope you guys are having a great start to 2018, and good luck to everybody.